Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can remove a link from a shared file or folder inside your Mega App account. So let us guide you through this. So you will need to navigate to the Mega App, and be it through the web version or desktop version, and then of course navigate to the file in your cloud drive, right? So let's assume, for example, you will see that symbol here, right guys? So for example, if the folder or file is being shared, you will be able to tell by that symbol. So what you want to do is click into that symbol to manage the link settings. And from here, guys, what you want to do is click into link settings. And below you will see that option, remove link. Confirm. And after that, the symbol will disappear, or the icon, meaning the given file or folder cannot be shared anymore through that link. So anyone who has access to that link will not get redirected to the file or folder anymore, because the link has been deactivated. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.